What's going on? It's your boy Kerry Too Smooth. If you're watching this channel, that means you really want to learn how to play R&B on this guitar. So I had a lot of positive feedback when I was doing solo videos, so I want to kind of go back and touch on that again. I'm going to be using this song today by Grace Weber called Parachutes. And now, again, when you've been soloing for a while, you're trying to get out of just using the minor pentatonic. So I want to show you how we want to focus in on playing the melody in order to start to enhance our solo. So I want you to really focus in on with your ears, because this is going to be part of ear training. This is also going to be part of you working on your solo. I want you to listen to the melody that she's singing. That's what I want you to listen for. I want you to listen to that melody. We're going to try to duplicate that on our guitar to make it have a sing-song-like ability. So let's listen to what she's singing.
I fall too hard, baby.
So just that first part. I fall too hard, baby. So we want to go find that. We want to find that. So I think we're in the key of B flat today. So that's what we want to focus on. That I fall too hard, baby. That's what we want to focus in on. We want to focus in on really trying to sing that line. That whole, those trills. That's what we want to focus in on, really working on those sing-sound-like abilities. We're not focusing on just doing the minor pentatonic. That's cool. Now we're past that phase. We want to get into the phase where we're trying to make it sing, okay? So let's go back to that. Let's hear that line again.
I fall too hard, baby.
Don't you let me down.
Easy, could you
Here we go.
save me? I fall too hard.
So all that other stuff around it, so that's all the stuff that's in the minor pentatonic, that whole scale. All of that is in the minor pentatonic. Now, since we've got the line, I fall too hard, now we want to start embellishing a little bit. So think about singers who sing. You got people who sing really straight, but now we want to start kind of adding like a few runs. So that's the line, but now we want to do some other stuff around it to color it up a little bit. Not too much, but to color up a little bit. And if we get the right overdrive patch, that sends it to another level, right? So we want to take it from the top again. We just want to focus in on learning that part. I don't want to overwhelm you with a whole bunch of stuff. We just want to focus in on I fall too hard, and then like some embellishment and kind of like beautiful melodic stuff around it. Really focusing on just listening to what she's singing, try to duplicate what she's singing, and then just embellish it a little bit more. All right. So as we're working on those lines, I fall too hard, we can find ourselves really getting into some other places. A lot of these lines that I've worked on has been years of me working on experimenting, trying to find those like those pull-offs. All of those, listening to singers do different kind of runs that I've heard singers do a lot of different runs, and I've wanted to mimic that. You can do the same thing on your guitar. So this lesson right here is really focusing on working on your ear training, trying to duplicate the line, trying to find melodic things around it as you build your solo. If you're past the phase of just doing the minor pentatonic runs all the time, now you want to get into some other stuff, really focusing on learning the melody, playing that melody, and embellishing and working on sing-song-like abilities. And don't forsake finding a really good overdrive patch that's going to allow you to really make the thing stand out. Because if you have the right overdrive patch, it's going to make your guitar sound incredible. that whole is going to embody and embellish whatever you're trying to play out versus you just trying to play something really straight. So hopefully you enjoyed this lesson. Leave a comment if you like stuff like this. Let me know so we can continue to do stuff like this. All right, love you guys. Have a great one.
To get more help with your guitar journeys, watch these videos.